Ragi is a whole grain that is gluten-free, and a staple in South India. It is rich in fiber that helps with weight loss and diabetes. It's packed with calcium, good carbs, amino acids, and vitamin D. Now, the health benefits. First is loaded with calcium. Ragi flour is one of the best non-dairy sources of calcium when compared to any other grains. Calcium is critical for healthy bones and teeth, and prevention of osteoporosis disease which weakens the bones. It is extremely beneficial for growing kids, and can be given in the form of ragi porridge. Second is, helps in controlling diabetes. The grain's seed coat is abundant in polyphenols and dietary fibers as compared to rice, maize or wheat. The low glycemic index lessens food cravings, and maintains the digestive pace, consequently, keeping blood sugar within the safe range. Third is, reverts skin aging. Ragi works wonders for maintaining young and youthful skin. Ragi is also one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D which is mostly derived from sunlight. Vitamin D is a carrier molecule for calcium, which accounts for vitality. Fourth is, battles anemia. Ragi is an excellent source of natural iron, and thus a boon for anemic patients, and also for those with low hemoglobin levels. Once ragi is allowed to sprout, the vitamin C levels tend to increase, and lead to easy absorption of iron into the bloodstream. Fifth is, relaxes the body. Regular consumption of ragi is highly beneficial in dealing with conditions of anxiety, depression and insomnia. The presence of antioxidants, mainly tryptophan, and amino acids, helps as they work as natural relaxants. Sixth is, helps in weight loss. The high amount of dietary fiber combined keeps the stomach full for a longer, and prevents unwanted cravings. This in turn leads to a minimized appetite and weight loss.